thank you for... Hi guys, as you can see here we have a helicopter that we found. I'm going to show you a bit of what's left of it. Look, all the controls. It has a bunch of buttons. There's the tail that's disassembled. And here are the side doors. We can't get too close to the tail because a sensor there would trigger the alarm. And there, if you look closely, although you can't see much, there are, let's say, the helicopter support structure. The shoes aren't there either. It's a short video, but I think it's worth showing you. Well, that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this, please like and see you next time. See you next time.